How to fix freezing in Roblox. If you're facing this kind of problem where your game lags or freezes while playing, follow these steps. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, go to the Wi-Fi option. Now make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then remove the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now go back to your main page and tap on General. Select Software Update and check for any updates that may be available. Also, the game might be lagging due to update issues. So open App Store on your device and go to the search bar and type in Roblox. If you see any update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and tap on Settings. In Settings, go to iPhone Storage from the General interface. Now search for the Roblox app and clear cache. To clear your cache of Roblox, tap on Offload app. After that, again, tap on Offload app from the bottom. When you have done this, then go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.